Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our maths tutorial for today. Today's maths tutorial, we are going to solve this maths Olympiad question that we're asked to solve for x in if 9 to the power of x divided by 16 to the power of x is equal to 25 divided by 4 to the power of x. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to hit the bell icons so that you can be able to get our Maths Olympiad content once they are uploaded. Thank you. Now to solve this question, we are going to use two methods in solving this mathematics Olympiad question. And the first method we are going to look at is a method that involves we dividing this whole equation or finding the factors of this equation and simplifying them. Now let's look at that method. We are going to consider this method. Now assume we are given this value. Remember from that expression 9 divided by 16 will all carry the x squared because both of them are carry x. That will be equal to 25 divided by 4 to the power of x. Now, having gotten this, we are going to do one thing. We are going to multiply both sides by 4 to the power of x. If we do that, we are going to have 9 divided by 16 all to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of x, right? And this will be equal to 25 divided by 4 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of x. The main reason why we did that is to clear our 4 to the power of x from the right hand side. So if we simply simplify that, we are going to have this whole expression to become, remember the law of logarithm of indices. If you have a to the power of x, if you have a to the power of x multiplied by b to the power of x, because they have same power, the base will multiply. That will give us ab multiplied by what? The power of x. So if we apply that here, we're going to have 9 divided by 16 multiplied by 4 all to the power of x equal to 25. Now, having gotten this, what we need to do is just to simplify further, and voila, our result will pop out. If we multiply these two value in this equation, we'll have 9 times 4 will give us 36. 36 divided by 16 all to the power of x, and this will be equal to 25. Now, having gotten that, we are going to take the natural log of both sides. So we take the natural log of both sides. We have a natural log of 36 divided by 16 all to the power of x equal to the natural log of 25. Now, if we do that simply, we are going to arrive at this will come over here according to the law of logarithm. Then we'll have our x, the natural log of 36 divided by 16, all equal to the natural log of 25. So if we divide both sides by this, we'll have our x to be equal to the natural log of 25 divided by, according to the quotient law of logarithm, this will become the natural log of 36 minus the natural log of 16. Now, having gotten this, what we will now do is to use our calculator to find the value of the natural log of 25, 36, and 16. Now, if we turn to our calculator, we'll find the natural log of 25, and the natural log of 25 will give us 3.19. So if we go back to that expression and find out that x will be equal to 3.219. Same thing goes if we find the natural log of 36 using that same process. We're going to have 3.584, and then the natural log of 16 will give us 2.773. So if we simplify this, we'll have our x to be equal to 3.219 divided by this subtract this will give us 0.811. So if we simplify that, we'll simply have our x to be equal to final value 3.969. This is a solution to that question above. Now remember I told you I have two methods in solving this question, and the two method is going to give us the same solution. Now let's analyze the second method. If we want to look at the second method of solving this question, remember we are given that 9x divided by 16x is equal to 25 divided by 4 to the power of x, all to the power of x except 25. So what we are going to do in this instance, we are going to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we'll have 9 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of x equal to 25 multiplied by 16 to the power of x. Good. So from this expression, I want you to recall that if you have a to the power of x multiplied by b to the power of x according to logarithm, this will give us ab to the power of x. So if we apply that here, we're going to have 9 multiplied by 4. That will give us 36 to the power of x equal to 25 multiplied by 16 to the power of x. So we're going to take the natural logarithm of both sides. If we take the natural logarithm of both sides, this will give us the natural log of 36 to the power of x equal to the natural log of 25 multiplied by the natural log of 25 multiplied by 16 to the power of x. And according to the law of logarithm, the product law, this will give us the natural log of 25 plus the natural log of 16 to the power of x. And this will give us the natural log of 36 to the power of x. So if we simplify that further, we are going to have this come over here because both of them are having the power of x. So this will give us the natural log of 36 to the power of x minus the natural log of 16 to the power of x equal to the natural log of 25. According to the law of logarithm, this will come over and this will come over here. So we'll have x, the natural log of 36, subtract from x, the natural log of 16, and that will be equal to the natural log of 25. So if x is common here, we'll have this to be what? The natural log of 36 minus the natural log of 16, that will be equal to the natural log of 25. So if that is given, this expression will now become, dividing both sides by this, x will now be equal to the natural log of 25 divided by the natural log of 36 minus the natural log of 16. So if you see, this whole expression is exactly the same value the previous expression gave to us, and that is it. So that shows that this answer we got for the value of x is absolutely what? Correct. So this is the same thing with this expression which we got for the initial solution. This is all I have for you for today. Thanks so much for watching, and do share this video with friends and colleagues. Subscribe to my channel in order to get updates of simplified maths Olympiad question. Thank you.